Funnily enough, the Irish for no, I don't want to do a charity parachute jump.
Call me if you need me. I'll be digging the flower bed, just out of earshot.
Cumberland!
Merken!
Cumberland!
Beberat! Beberat!
John Jeffer!